In this video, we are going to see about various issues in HP OfficeJet 5200 all-in-one series printer. So let's discuss all issues one by one in this video. So first, ink cartridge issues. If any error occurs after cartridge is installed or any message indicating of any problem, then try the remove ink cartridge and verify the protective plastic film has been removed. And after doing it, if suppose that issue not get resolved, then clean the cartridge contacts and replace the ink cartridges. To clean the cartridge contacts, we need to follow these steps which is available on the screen as you can see. So check the power is on. Second, open the cartridge access door as arrows indicating this image, and then remove the cartridge contacts in the error message. And again we need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. Total 10 steps are available. So in this way you can clean the cartridge contacts. Now let's move to the second issue, which is printing issue. So fix problems with page not printing, unable to print. So it could be resolved in two ways. First, HP Print and Scan Doctor. This is a utility that is available for Windows operating system. It will automatically fix the issue. And second, troubleshoot problems with print jobs not printing. Then use HP Online troubleshooting wizard and get step-by-step instruction if the printer is not responding or printing. For important note, you can read on the screen for more information. And read general instruction in the help for unable to print issues. Let's discuss next issue, which is copy issue. Troubleshoot copy problems. For this, use an HP Online troubleshooting wizard and get step-by-step instruction if the printer not create a copy or your printouts are low quality. Next, scan issues. For resolution of this problem, you can use HP Print and Scan Doctor. And to resolve scan problems, use an HP Online troubleshooting wizard. Get step-by-step instructions if you cannot create a scan or if your scan are low quality. Next, fax issues. So first of all, run the fax test report to see if there is a problem with your fax setup. If the test passes and then you are still having problem faxing, check the fax settings, listen in the report to verify that the settings are correct. Next, network and connection issues. To fix wireless connection, choose here following troubleshooting options are available on the screen as you can see. Use HP Print and Scan Doctor, that will automatically diagnose and fix the issue. Otherwise, use an HP Online troubleshooting wizard. For important note, you can read the screen for more information. Next, printer hardware issues. The printer shuts down unexpectedly, then you can follow these steps, and then cartridge access door is open, then close the cartridge access door to begin printing as arrow is indicating to close the cartridge access door. And if cartridges alignment failed, then we need to follow these steps to fix the issue. Now let's see the get help from the printer control panel. You can use printers help topics to learn about the printer and some help topics with animations and videos. You can also get help from the HP Smart app. HP Smart app provides alert for printer issues, jams and other problems. And last, understand printer reports. You can print the reports to help troubleshoot problems with the printer. Maintain the printer. To clean scanner glass, dust or dirt on the scanner glass, scanner lead backing or scanner frame can slow down performance. So to clean the scanner glass, we need to follow these steps. First, lift the scanner lead and then clean that. Third, close the scanner lead. In the same way, you can clean the exterior and clean the document feeder as well, as the steps are available on the screen as you can see. And finally, restore original factory defaults and settings. If you have disabled some functions or changed some settings and you want to change them back, you can restore printer to the original factory settings or network settings. So here are the steps available. You can follow these steps to restore the settings again. That's all in this video. Thank you. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.